In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip your camera in OBS OBS Studio. Flipping your camera is useful when you want your on-screen movement to feel natural, or when you need to correct an upside-down or mirrored view. I'll walk you through it clearly, with a few tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by opening OBS Studio and making sure your webcam is in the Sources box for the scene you're working in. If you don't see it, click the plus icon under Sources. Choose Video Capture Device and select your camera from the device list. Once it's added, click the camera source so a red outline appears around it in the preview. That means it's selected and ready to adjust. Now, right-click your camera source in the Sources list, move your mouse over Transform, and choose Flip Horizontal. This mirrors the image left to right, which often makes your gestures feel more intuitive as you point or write on screen. Keep in mind, though, that flipping horizontally will reverse text on shirts, signs, or whiteboards. If you need text to be readable to your audience, avoid the horizontal flip unless it's just for your own comfort. If your camera is mounted upside down or the image appears inverted, do the same thing, but choose Flip Vertical. That will correct a top and bottom reversal without changing the left-right orientation. To undo a flip, repeat the exact same command. Selecting Flip Horizontal again returns you to the original orientation. You can also right-click, go to Transform, and choose Reset Transform if you've moved or rotated the source and want to return everything to default. Just note that Reset Transform will also reset position and size, so use it when you want a full reset. For fine positioning after flipping, you can right-click the source, go to Transform, and click Edit Transform to adjust alignment, rotation, and size precisely. When you're happy with the result, click the lock icon next to your camera in the Sources list. Locking prevents accidental nudges while you work on other elements. A quick tip: OBS shows you exactly what your viewers will see. Unlike some video call apps that mirror your preview only, OBS does not apply a hidden mirror. If you flip your camera here, your audience sees the flip too. Test with a quick recording or start a private scene to confirm everything looks right before going live. That's all you need to confidently flip your camera in OBS. Save your scene, do a short test, and you're ready to stream or record with the orientation that suits your setup.